Hi, Richard here, Irish Pens. You've stopped by our Shannon Eclipse rollerball pen. This pen, as you can see, is very striking in that we've taken the really unique Irish Bog Oak that is so dark in colour, and we've married that beautiful rare wood with a dark pen trim. It's got a gold cap, as you can see, in the top of the pen, in the cap of the pen, and the bottom of the pen cap has got a lovely little gold band, and that just brings a real touch of elegance to this particular pen. Of course, with us, it's always about the oak, and in this case, this bog oak is so black because it's spent over 5,000 years. That's actually older than the pyramids, languishing in the bog waters here in Ireland. The trim itself, as you can see, is very dark in colour. A lovely pinched section there that you can hold in your hand. Make sure the pen is not slippy in your hand. It gives you a very positive writing experience. The refill in this pen is a rollerball refill. We supply a Swiss made refill in the pen, but any refill you can purchase in any good stationery store will do the job. Remember, obviously, better the refill, the better the writing experience. If you wish to have this pen engraved, we can do that for you as well. Just select on the page, yes, engrave this pen. A page will pop out from your left hand side when you hit add to cart, and in the add to cart page there's a box there where you can type in your text you want us to engrave. Any questions, give us a phone call or an email at any time.